At Zoa, we power the energy transition with data, intelligence, and brilliant consumer experiences. Our customers are energy companies, and we help them build trust with their users and then help them electrify their homes on the journey to becoming net zero homes. We use AI threaded throughout everything we do to deliver personalized experiences, great optimization for how people consume electricity in their home, and then for how we give instantaneous automated help when they need service. My name is John Marshall, and I'm the CEO at Zoa. YLD has been really great in helping us launch and grow a new startup. When we began, we needed to do two things simultaneously. We needed to support a very complex migration and begin innovating with our own new product development. And YLD has been able to help us on both of those.
I'm Tom, and I'm the COO at Zoa. We first started working with YLD back when we were Bol, and so we were a 900-person company with a need for some extra people helping with engineering and data science. And as a new company that was working out our identity and the problems we needed to solve, having access to amazing people with loads of different specialisms was really important to us.
YLD's helped us develop innovative projects, use new technologies in a couple of really important ways. We have two major focus areas. First is how do we use data throughout everything we do, right? It drives our ability to personalize experiences, optimize home energy usage, deliver great customer service. YLD's been really great at helping us bring in the data scientists, data engineers to support our data efforts. One of the things that we needed to update our automated help systems to use the latest large language model. And YLD was able to bring in data scientists that could seamlessly come into our team and help us get it done in a really good time frame.
I'm Kat Burrows. I'm a senior data scientist at Zoa. I manage a small team of data scientists, and we work on building tooling and automation for energy suppliers. YLD data scientists were able to help maintain our legacy systems whilst we were building out newer systems. They were able to troubleshoot as things came along and really support the wider business and give consistency in a period of big transition for us. One of the biggest challenges is our text extraction product, which YLD has helped us to improve. During that process, YLD gave us regular feedback and we were able to collaborate really well. We also had data science tech times every week where they would feedback their process to the rest of the team and help to upskill everyone.
My name is Fernando. I'm an engineer manager here at Zoa, and I lead a team called Apps Platform. We are internal tools, developer experience team. We create frameworks and libraries for other teams to use. One of the biggest challenges that we have is clear communication. YLD has helped us develop products both on web and the native world. We are developing a multi-platform product, and a core part of it is our design system. We are aiming to have the same design system working on web and the native application. So the expertise building React Native products has helped with this.
YLD's used their React Native and TypeScript expertise to really help us build our product. We've been using that stack for a number of years. They can help in any project we're working on.
YLD stands out as a partner for Zoa because we could always rely on them to provide, first of all, amazing people. Secondly, to have brilliant relationships with both the leaders and the hiring managers within our organization. Thirdly, to provide really specialist people when we had really specific needs. And also we learned through working with them that YLD really do set themselves up as thought leaders. Loads of events that bring leaders together, and I know that our team has really benefited from that.
It's very easy having the teams work together. That's really important to me, and that definitely puts YLD to the top of the list. Right, as we've needed to flex up, YLD is very responsive. And then as we flex down, it's been very smooth and seamless as we figure out that transition. The people we've worked with from YLD are all excellent technically. They're also really good people. The YLD team members have slotted in with our team members so seamlessly. It's made it a real pleasure to work with for everyone.